Abang swap di ke katero ni ko biar ini be market. Swap di o ke fo mene ma dol ma ba mi. Abang.
Sekero ami marang di gele ba.
Dia nye ke begbo. U fong wet ke do di do ke begbo. What yourself?
Ini di kompot.
Boni dem.
Sasama. Jogo ngo yumo pe mi mpan.
Let me be biology.
Ziri biology.
That's botanical name biography.
Awara de.
Anak po bang ide be.
Entu kay de.
Idem.
Idem mi. Woyo, okoni bele yene de yo. Ayo yo pe mi dem mi. Oh, mapun mi ama.
Ngkat tidak ada ke ngkat.
Sasama.
Ko utoro.
Kai so kem pau so ngayen fo ngo mingo yo. Yo am
So
si da.
before you dongo, ana ipo bang akide me. Sado ko biology.
Idem wo e ko di dia.
That's man kwa foke ne kwa. For my head.
Na nonso.
But my head, mommy wood for. My head,
My head,
my shoulder,
my shoulder,
my knees,
my knees,
and waist.
and waist. What?
No, you're not mistake.
Is it a mistake?
Say waist me.
You will say in Kama.
About the waste product.
Waste product. How are they?
You do of it. So mana dongo ko ida kali bang ise yan se me.
Ka for me na mistake. I'm you na medium mom.
Mom the mistake ma ngwan ke future.
Okay, mom.
So mommy wood.
Mom.
Mo idom.
Ibut.
No tangki ko magara nange bo.
Ma frau.
Okay, man, I'm a but my head,
My head,
my shoulder,
my shoulder,
knees.
knees.
Oh, I'm go from. In fact, Zev, so young them bangodo.
Ipong ngayero. Tentenyen mi ba ni diong okay. Be mbong.
Confusion. So, ma ko banga biology wang afin dia.
Biology. Iwa ngakem na anko nyen mi ba diong aki kwa minyo na mi diong ko diong.
Yes, he says.
Okay, sincere case.
Use your head for once.
How are they?
That's been one for now. Oh, that one. It was just forget. Yang keep am over safu. Udo so ko do young am come next year. Abang am ko ita.
Mbaita, nsongbaita yero.
Akpado very important morphology.
Nziri morphology.
Abang am momo.
Nziri omo.
That's hidden away see nam ke so come ke biology.
Sukum. Awa. Isa sama ntangeri.
Ke mo do.
Ntina fori pe mutom poro.
No na udo come in case if look at one of them.
Awala de.
Idu dong.
Isa sama.
Ayogi bado physiology.
Nziri physiology.
That is basically physics.
Nziri physics.
That is bon physician.
Era namso.
Botanical name magician.
Wala de.
Sikoribo.
Oh, moi si koribo. Oh, emenu koribo ngeri san ku bongwe.
Edok magawo so ba mam.
Oh, makare nampo.
Tu dom fondo. I need more.
Need ndanapso.
Won for need ibo.
Isa sama. Kaiso.
Anamitado anatomy. Tommy.
Mario ngayem. Mono mesi na arana.
E wong idebe.
Kapiye.
For the first time I use your head.
Wala de.
You use the word for nabetim do.
Kaiso.
So, ebo case na ibanga origin.
Era namso.
Mankero.
Kesa de.
Me teacher me yemi pe mpo ma wa me we ye won origin.
Eke mumi awo kikbaw, teman-teman.
No, ayesi na me de kedi on me part of the body. Anyo wa do ke funi e ko gbe sin no man yang won gbe mpo. Afuka nu no won, nya na mo kete na sin kaka. Se funo. Eno origin e funo olive oil me won e be yamba ko.
Dara nyero ngori yang mpo de me yang kedi. Ikaiso.
So ye do part of the body. For me on a part of the body.
Ndio ngakebira nare.
So for the on as na get them for.
Mori yang ana.
So the on.
Mori yang inwa.
Inwa ke the on se asika maria bo. Be membon the kidney.
Nzidi kidney.
Asene kidney me wo.
Ke monga sana. Kitong. Kidney sana wo kitong.
Zero. Very dark na me amasi ne kitong aye bon ka.
Krak. So kidney ana mo yomoro.
I am too much. So ayedo anyo abado. So
Kidney abado.
Ayogi bado liver.
Nzidi liver.
So liver do sisne ke I song ipara.
Para
na sido ma bag office we here leave my office.
Awara de.
Awo be de ipara. What that's liver. So for you go.
Me nyinem ko Boy, back and then young is Young Kemendi.
Mfune sharp Kemendi.
Ghana for what meet yes, leave us.
I'm a sharp fno.
You think say they wise?
Bendy and say,
Are a mumu man.
Wink come babe near it.
Where you
No one bed.
No, you won't me leave us.
No one leave Babasi.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm quite good news for you.
Container.
It's called Imagine.
Good men say my magic.
That is good. You know mistake. Alright, the name of the company is Aqua Imagine General Technical Services, located at number 45 Idua Road, Eket, Enamkwebanga, industrial cooker cars, electric and fire tube or tube firewood.
Wow.
Down but the thing I say with them, you might miss. They can do shawarma machine for you. If you want to start a shawarma,
Okay, pizza.
Momingo, everything is here. Mixer, stainless wood table, no stainless work table, yes. Extractor hood, kitchen cabinet. But you can call him with this number. I'll show you the mega screen. Understand? Offices here get them because he has good thing, good product.
Original.
For a kid, a Calabar, Kwaibomu, you anywhere across in Nigeria, just call that number. They are ready to supply you with good quality machineries. Oh, so call that number. The name of the CEO, the name of the owner of this thing, Mr. Victor Akpan Sunday. So call him when you call him, say Mr. Victor Akpan is calling from a big book. That's Kingdom that you see this thing you want to buy. He will tell you how much. Then you see your pay and collect the stuff. It's not for free, mind you. Alright. You don't get kid. You know I wrote.